Hello, welcome back to Anandu's Talks. Today I'm going to talk about The Blue Umbrella by Ruskin Bond. Ruskin Bond is an Indian author of British descent. He has written many books including The Blue Umbrella, A Room on the Roof, Delhi is Not Far, and Our Trees Still Grow in Dara, for which he won the Kendra Sahitya Academy Award. In this book, Ruskin Bond talks about a girl named Binya. Binya lives in a mountain area somewhere in northern India. She lives there with her brother Biju and her mother. Her father had died long back. She does not go to school and spends her whole day grazing cows and having fun. Her brother goes to school. So one day when she was grazing the cows, she saw a group of trippers on the mountain. What attracted her was a silk bright blue umbrella that was with them. She wanted it so much that when a lady there asked her to come forward, she promptly came. And the lady called her because she wanted the tiger's claw pendant that Binya was wearing. It was considered to be a lucky charm in northern India. So, when the lady asked for it, Binya told that she would give it in return for the bright blue silk umbrella. And that's how she got the umbrella. Binya had many adventures in with the umbrella. The umbrella helped her to defend and scare away a snake. When the umbrella flew away, she ran behind it and she even climbed down a cliff to get it. And I loved reading that part very much. And the whole village was jealous because it was the best umbrella in the village. Especially Ram Barosa, the village shopkeeper. He had a special eye on the umbrella. As soon as he set eyes on the umbrella, he asked Binya to sell it to him. But Binya naturally refused. Ram Barosa he wanted the umbrella so much that he even sent his servant Raja Ram to steal it. But Raja Ram was caught by Binya's brother Biju and thrashed badly. And that time he was forced to say that it was Ram Barosa who sent him. And from that day, none of the villagers went to his shop. And the villagers changed his name from Ram Barosa, meaning Ram the trustworthy, to Ram the umbrella stealer. Day by day, Ram Barosa's business started to deteriorate. And one day, Binya realized that she was giving more importance to the umbrella than to fellow human beings. So, she decided to give the umbrella to Ram Barosa. And one day, she went to Ram Barosa's shop and bought a toffee and purposely left the umbrella there. At first, Ram Barosa thought that anyway Binya has forgotten to take it. So, I'll just keep it with me. No one is going to know. But then he thought it was not right. And he took it, ran behind Binya and told her that she had left it behind. But then Binya asked Ram Barosa to keep it with him and told that she had purposefully put it there. And from that day, the umbrella became everyone's. During the monsoon season, Ram Barosa gave it to the needy. Every day it would be opened and kept in front of his shop. One day, a bear attacked Ram Barosa's shop. It took some food and then it went away. It didn't cause much harm. But the next day, when Ram Barosa got out of his home and came to his shop, he saw a bear's claw. He took it immediately and went to the town and asked the silversmith to make a locket out of it and hang it on a chain. As soon as the chain was ready, he took it and gave it to Binya, saying that the bear's claw was considered more special and luckier than her old leopard's claw pendant. And and they became very good friends after that. The story is small and written in very simple English, but it conveys a very important message of unity, something that we lack ourselves nowadays. And the book is very small. As you can see, it has only some pages, but it's very interesting to read it. And I just enjoyed the part when Binya was playing with her umbrella. I recommend this book to all of you. Until my next video, bye.